Well, you have certain companies, I think, would you agree, like Salesforce.com seems to start to look at things a little broader in terms of a social context.
Yeah.
And led by Mark Benioff,
Yeah.
their CEO, it seems like there are companies, maybe some tech companies, that are trying to look at purpose and profit and the intersection of those two.
Well, I mean, anyone who's worked in, hopefully if anyone who's worked in a business realize there are so many stakeholders that are benefiting from the business. I mean, you and I are employed, have been employed by companies.
Yes.
You're helping families and schools. I mean, there are a lot of good, capitalism in business is a force for good.
Yes.
But why should we be surprised by that? Why should we have to call that out?
Right.
That's the model that business should be in.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that companies like Salesforce and others are doing that. We tried to do a lot of that at GE and clean tech and access to health. But really, should it be so special that we have to call that out?
Right.
I know I met recently with some people who have repositioned their consulting firm to be about purpose. And one, I'm glad they're doing it because people need help, but again, isn't that part of business's role, is to have more of a holistic purpose in the world? And yes, you have to go on making money. I mean,
Right.
you can't keep doing what you do unless you can make money. I mean,
Right.
that's essential. But sometimes I worry we lose sight of that. And our customers are the ones that lose sight of that the most. If you're a good business, you're delivering for your customers.
Right.
And everything else should fall into place. Your employees feel they're fulfilling a mission.
Right.
They're able to contribute to their communities. So again, I worry a little bit that if we start with that basic premise, are we getting it right for our customers, then things start to flow from there.